SDK.finance. Build and release process. You need to have developer accounts to build and release the application. You also need to choose how you want to do it, manually or using EAS. If you want to do it manually, you need to open the iOS folder in Code, add certificates, choose the type of the build the application, and upload it to App Store Connect. The same process applies to Android. You need to open Android Studio, open the Android folder, add keys, build the application, and then upload it to the Play Store. Alternatively, you can use EAS Expo application services. This is faster because EAS provides a comprehensive solution with EAS Workflow, EAS Build, EAS Hosting, EAS Submit, EAS Update, etc. You can adjust workflows to automate your builds. You can build your application on a server or locally if needed. You can also submit your application using Expo, and you can use Expo Update to update your application without needing to submit it again to the Play Store or App Store.